Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group will be present about industrial site visit at Ibu High-Tech Consultant Sdn Berhad, and it will be focused about LPG composite cylinder manufacturing. For table of content, for the company background, it will be conducted by Muhammad AIZAT, and manufacturing and testing process, Muhammad SHAFIQ HAKIMI and Muhammad ABID. For design, concept and quality assurance, HAFIZUDIN. Product concept, Muhammad HAFIZUDIN. Problem face, Muhammad AKHTAR. And lastly, discussion and CQI, Muhammad AKHTAR. This is our team member. From the left side, AIZAT HAKIMI, ABID, SHAFIQ HAKIMI, HAFIZUDIN, and AKHTAR.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad HAKIMI bin Muhammad AZMAN, and I will be presenting about company's background. The vision of this company is about to offer consumer-friendly LPG products, market a safe LPG composite cylinder, and become the best in Malaysia and become the largest composite cylinder manufacturer in the Asian region. Mission of this company: first, maximize value to shareholders by ensuring a stable, sustainable, and profitable growth. Second, enjoy and satisfy customers by offering high-quality LPG products, easy to manage, secure, and pay attention to customer needs and value-added services. The third one, utilize and provide ICT support systems with the latest technology to assist LPG services, customer management, and distribution network management, as well as logistics. The fourth one is implementing a robust operating system and continuous improvement of LPG facilities and the implementation of good governance according to the standards of HSSE, health, safety, security, and environment. And the last one is attract, retain, and enhance the talents of the workplace by investing in personal and professional development towards the formation of the high quality employee mix.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafiq Hakimi bin Muhammad ZULKEFLI, and I will present about the operation for the manufacturing zone. Okay, for the zone 1 is the blow molding. The material used in this zone is HDPE and hyperia. The material will be mixed in the mixture. After that, it will be molded to produce a vessel that contains the LPG, which is the liner. And then the reaming process will be done after the product have been cooled in the cooler to smoothen the inlet of the liner for maximal secure fitting of the O-ring. And then for the zone 2 is the registration process. The RFID sticker will be put on each of the cylinders for the identification code for each of the cylinder, and it will detect all of the zone for the cylinder have been done. And then the installation will be inserted to station the valve installation. Okay, for next zone is the filament winding zone. So this zone is used the process of dry winding or helically woven. The material used in this process is aramid fiber, and this company is the first company in Malaysia using the aramid fiber to manufacture the composite, and the objective of this process is to give the LPG composite cylinder its main strength. And then the zone 4 is the injection molding. The material used in this process is polyurethane polymer to give the outer layer of the product and black color of the product. And after that, the footing is inserted before going to the testing zone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad and I will present about testing zone. For the zone 5, this is hydraulic test where the objective is to test the strength of the cylinder at the 30 bar by adding the liquid into the gas cylinder. For the zone C, this is the leak test where the gas cylinder is put into the water for prevent the leakage. For the zone 7, this is cycle test where the objective of this test is to test the lifespan of the gas cylinder. And for the zone 8, this is the burst test where this is test for the strength of the gas cylinder. And for these two tests, it is only need one gas cylinder for each batch of the product. Lastly, for the printing process, the product logo and batch number will be printed to the gas cylinder by using laser machine, and this is the final product of the gas cylinder.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad HAFIZUDIN bin Muhammad ROSLI. I am presenter about design concept and quality assurance. For the design concept is separated to 5 concept design. For the first is aramid fiber. The aramid fiber is a composite material for the fiber helically to provide height, strength and weight ratio. Next is polyurethane coating. This is a heavy-duty coating suited for roughly handling and logistics. Then gas tight liner is high density polyurethane or HDPE plus hyperion. And lastly is RFID technology. This is a suite for IR 4.0 application. For the quality assurance are divided to 6, which is design stability that have base and height ratio proportion to lower the center of the gravity. Next is the product produced is light and efficient. The product lightweight and friendly use. Next is non-corrosive, means that the product do not corrode and have 15 years lifespan. Then explosive proof, which is the product has been tested and have been proved did not explode. High quality and reduced maintenance, which is this product using RFID as a high technology that can be storing birth certificate of the product. Reduced maintenance, the high quality duty polyurethane coating can be a recycled material for the sidewalk at the park. And lastly is the product has a aesthetic design, can be more appealing for the home decoration. Next is product concept. As you can see on the slide, the product produced for the Evo High-Tech company. This is product overview. For the main part, the product have a 3 layer which is liner, fiber winding and polyurethane coating. The product also have a handle, valve, insert and footing. And that is a parameter of this product as you can see on the slide.
So I will start with problem faced by the company. Problem faced by the company during production is bubbles. There are bubbles on the surface after injection molding. Because of the bubble, they need to do surface finishing process, which takes a few minutes to do. This bubble happen due to gas interference problems, insufficient plastic injection, or low injection pressure. So I will start with problem faced by the company. Problem faced by the company during production is bubbles. There are bubbles on the surface after injection molding. Because of the bubble, they need to do surface finishing process, which takes a few minutes to do. This bubble happen due to gas interference problems, insufficient plastic injection, or low injection pressure. During the discussion, we found ways to improve the LPG composite cylinder. First, mechanical fastener can be used, such as screw, to connect the handle and footing part to the body part of LPG composite cylinder together. Screw can make their connection between each part stronger. Screw can also be easily removed and replaced with screwdriver only. Other than that, during the discussion, we also find ways to avoid from having bubble on the product. To achieve that, they can utilize a vacuum chamber where the mold is placed completely inside a controlled environment. Then, vacuum pump with proper size and accumulator tank is used to remove air completely within the chamber before or during injection. For continuous quality improvement, first they can improve the injection energy, pressure, speed, time, material amount, and improve the bed pressure to make the filling more full. Secondly, they can increase the material temperature to make it flow smoothly. Other than that, they can also reduce the material temperature to reduce shrinkage and appropriately increase the mold temperature, especially the local mold temperature at the part of forming vacuum bubble. Next is they can improve the exhaust status of the mold regularly as a predictive maintenance.